My dear beautiful souls, let's step into today into our highest version of true self. Let's step into that power energetically, emotionally, vibrationally, spiritually, mentally, physically. Let's bring all these things together and show up to the world highest version of yourself. So today we are going to start very powerful 21 days manifestation program. This is a portal which you are going to open for yourself because you yourself are the portal for this. And no one else is going to give you this power. You have all the power inside you that we are going to be aware of that today. So let's start with this 21 days manifestation portal. As we already discussed about how this will work, we have to be in alignment with our identity, frequency, voice, and energy. When these four things will be in the alignment, then we are going to show up in the world the way we want to be. And then what we have to do next, we have to be aware of our inner clutter, inner world, what we actually think, what are the thoughts that we think throughout the day, and 20% outer world. We just have to focus 20% in the outer world. Most of the time people do this other way around, 80% outer world they focus on and 20% inner world. But here we have to focus on 80% inner world, our mindset, 20% outer world, our skills. This is what we already discussed. And then we are going to work on the framework, abundance framework, RICH. R is revenue, wealth, opportunities, abundance that we want in our life. I is the inner power. We want to tap into our inner power. Okay. And then C is for the connection, people, opportunities, love, relationships. All these things comes into the connection. And then H is for health. We want to release whatever the ailment or the problems we are going through in our body with the help of different types of practices. Like maybe it could be meditation, it could be sound healing, it could be energy healing, it could be journaling. There are so many things that we are going to do with the help of this framework RICH. And then what exactly manifestation? Let me ask you this question. And why manifestation does not work? So, my dear, for that we need to understand what are we asking, and whatever we are asking, do we really believe on that? And when we believe on that, then we are going to receive it. So now let's understand how to ask. Where do you give your power away? My dear, you are the creator of your own life. You are sitting at the driver's seat and you know कि किस डायरेक्शन में, किस दिशा में आपको अपने शिप को ले जाना है. So now let's understand how to ask. For example, what we want in this life? We want money, we want house, we want love of our life. What else? We want good health, okay, name and fame. All these things we want. But are we vibrating on the same frequency what we want today? So the frequency of this money is this. This is the frequency of money. Okay? This is the frequency of our feelings, emotions. And today, as of now, we are vibrating at this frequency. This is the frequency of money for us today. We are vibrating at this frequency. Emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually, vibrationally. This is the frequency which we are vibrating today. But what we want at this frequency. We want this much money. We are this today. And even we are not matching with the frequency of that. We are not in the alignment. So when you are taking a bath, you need to take सॉल्ट, पिंक सॉल्ट जो मार्केट में इजीली मिल जाता है आजकल, जिसे हम व्रत में भी खाते हैं. थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट लेना है, रब करना है, एंड देन अप्लाई इट ऑन योर एंटायर बॉडी एंड फील दैट sensation in your body, because this is a different element which you are using. Like probably you have used the bath soap and anything different till date, but then you are using a different element that gives you a different kind of sensations. Your senses will be activated when you will use this. So you have to be aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions. Feel those sensations in your body and feel good from inside. Release the negative emotions, negative energies, because salt, it will cleanse your aura. It is going to cleanse your entire mind, body and soul. It's a cleansing element. So use that, feel that, and take a bath with that salt, pink salt. And then when the water is flowing on your body, feel that flow of the water. It's flowing in your body, and now feel relaxed. Feel that water, the each drop of water is relaxing each and every body part, each and every cell of your body. Feel that relaxation inside, because 70% of your body is made with water that will regulate your emotions. So feel that feeling. Release the negative energy, negative emotions, anger, guilt, grief, frustration, any sadness, any heaviness, any grossness in your body, any pain in your body. Release that. Just repeat that word release in your mind. I'm releasing and feeling relaxed, more and more and more relaxed. Feel that when you are taking a bath. And that is going to be a spiritual bath. And I'm sure after taking a bath, never ever you had felt the same feeling which you are going to experience after this. Share your experience, how you felt it. So that is the first thing we have to do on the first day. And then once we aware of our feelings, our thoughts, our emotions, we have written down this in the morning, like throughout the day, we have to be aware of our thoughts, feelings and emotions. क्या दिमाग में आ रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, how are we reacting, how are we behaving with others. We need to be aware of each and everything and write it down, whatever you are feeling. And at the night, before going on the sleep, you have to now take your power back. So first we became aware what are all the things which is taking your power away. And then once we are aware, then we choose the power back. We choose that inner strength back to us. And then we will write at night, I am safe. I am secure. I take my power back. I am a captain of my own ship. I am a creator of my own life. I take the entire responsibility for myself. And whatever you want to manifest, set one goal for 21 days and stick on that. When you will set one goal, then you will see automatically the other things will also get resolved, because all the things are connected to each other. For example, इन द मॉर्निंग जब हम उठे, हमारा मेड के साथ कुछ खटपट हो गया, क्योंकि हमारा मन बहुत चंचल होता है, हम अपने मन को शांत करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। मेड के साथ हम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, फिर भी सुबह सुबह हो गई बात। देन इवन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग फॉर द ऑफिस, घर में कुछ हस्बैंड के साथ कुछ और बात हो गई, क्योंकि हमारा मूड ऑलरेडी ख़राब था, हस्बैंड ने या बच्चे ने कुछ कह दिया एंड वी रिएक्टेड ऑन दैट। देन फाइनली हम ऑफिस के लिए निकलते हैं। जब हम ऑफिस के लिए निकलते हैं, ऑटो वाले से कुछ अनबन हो गई, और मे बी वे स्टक इन द ट्रैफिक और वी आर गेटिंग इरिटेटेड अगेन। ऑफिस पहुंचने के बाद ड्यू टू सम और अदर रीज़न बॉस से या किसी पीयर के साथ हमारी कुछ फिर से अनबन हो गई, वी गेट एंग्री ऑन समथिंग। सो माय डियर, थ्रू आउट द डे हमारा मूड जो है, जो सुबह जो हमने स्टार्ट किया था दिन, वो वैसे ही हमारा चल रहा है। एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड। जो चीज़ हमने यहाँ से शुरू करी थी लो फ्रिक्वेंसी पे, इट्स गोइंग दैट वे ओनली। So let's start our day with a high frequency. As soon as you get up in the morning, you have to say thank you to the God, whatever you have today in your life. Food, water, shelter, your breath, whatever the small thing, whatever you have right now. First of all, you need to say thank you for that. And then, because gratitude is having the higher frequency, and when you will do that, you will see, say thank you to your maid, even though you are paying to her, but still say thank you to her once she cooks food for you. हो सकता है आज उसने उतना अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाया है, बट स्टिल आज अगर आप उसे थैंक यू बोलोगे, देन यू विल सी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट थैंक यू टुमारो। डेफिनेटली जब वो खाना बना रही होगी तो उसके दिमाग में आया था कि मैंने इतना अच्छा नहीं किया था, फिर भी मुझे मैम ने थैंक यू बोला या सर ने मुझे थैंक यू बोला, तो मुझे आई शुड गिव माई 100%. आई शुड ऑल्सो गिव माई 100% टू दिस फूड, वॉट एवर आई एम कुकिंग. She will also think, because all we are human being. So start your day with gratitude, okay? And with that, we are going to complete this day 1 manifestation. I'm going to share a document as well with you guys, so that you can go through the document. What are all the things required for this? You go through this video and then start your powerful 21 days manifestation. So, and I know each and every one of you are going to get what you want to. Each and every one of you are going to achieve what you want in your life. So now we know what are all the things we have to do in this 21 days manifestation program. So let me ask you one question. Are you ready for this? क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं बहुत जोश के साथ, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 7 अच्छी से स्मूथली चला गया. डे 9 तक पहुंचते पहुंचते वी गेट स्लो डाउन. वी फील लाइक यार ये हो नहीं रहा है, काम नहीं कर रही हैं चीज़ें, ये like you don't believe on the process, you don't trust on the process. So my dear, let me tell you, you are the creator of your own life. आप जो थॉट्स, जो फीलिंग्स, जो इमोशंस देंगे, you will receive it back. So are you ready? Okay, so then let's start with this. Put your hand on your heart and say to yourself, I am a creator of my own life. I choose to become a powerful person. I choose to become a highest version of myself. I know my power. I have all the capabilities to fulfill my dreams. And with that, you are going to be aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions throughout the day. As soon as you start your day, as soon as you wake up in the morning, the first thing you have to do, you have to set the frequency at the highest level. Just say thank you to the God for whatever you have in your current life. Food, water, shelter, your breath, for each and everything. हर एक छोटी चीज के लिए आपको गॉड को थैंक यू बोलना है. अभी तक शायद हम उसका उल्टा करते आ रहे हैं कि जैसे ही हम सुबह उठते हैं, लाइक अभी हमें ये करना है, वो करना है, इतनी सारी चीज़ें करनी है, कैसे होगा, आई हैव लाइक वेरी लेस टाइम, इतने कम समय में हम इतना सब कुछ मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. लेकिन हमें वी हैव टू स्टार्ट आवर डे विथ पीस, with gratitude, because gratitude is having a higher frequency, and when you will vibrate on the higher frequency, then automatically you will become like a magnet. The magnetic field for you will be open. You will be able to receive what you have asked for. So as we know, we should know how to ask. We have to believe on that, whatever we are asking. If I am asking, I want 100 million in my life, do I really believe that I am going to get it? I'm just asking, but inside I'm believing, yaar 100 million to never ever in this life it is possible. क्या कभी एक ऐसे मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आए हुए अमिताभ बच्चन और रजनीकांत जैसे जो सुपरस्टार बन चुके हैं आज की डेट में, उन्होंने सोचा था कि they can earn so much of money? So universe see the emotions, universe see the frequency on which we are vibrating. तो अगर हमने बाहर से लिखा नोटबुक के अंदर, जर्नल किया कि I want 100 million, but internally I am not believing on this, then it is not going to work. So what we have to do, we have to ask what we want, we have to set one goal, we have to believe on that, and then we are going to receive it. Because my dear, हम सभी का मन बहुत चंचल होता है, हमारा मन बहुत इधर उधर दौड़ता रहता है. इट्स अ मंकी माइंड, one branch to another branch, it keeps jumping, and we need to take control of our mind. So this is now we have to decide, what do we want? Do we want a monkey mind, or do we want to take control of our mind? और जो हमारा मन है, जो हमारे सेंसेस हैं, वो भी हमें अपने कंट्रोल में लेकर आना है. In Bhagavad Gita, there is a very profound and powerful shlok. यदा संघर्ते चायम कुर्मा अंगानीव सर्वशः इंद्रियाणि इंद्रियार्थेभ्यस्तस्य pragya pratisthita. What does that mean? This talks about a human being needs to behave like a tortoise who knows when to withdraw from its limbs inside his shell. A human basically spreads out his limbs in different forms. We get irritated, we get agitated, we are reactive on different situations, we get angry easily. These are all the limbs which we are spreading in the outside world, and that takes our control away. When our control goes away, energy leaks. When energy leaks, then energy alignment does not happen. And when we take our control back, then our energy aligns. So our senses are compared with the snake or serpent in this verse, wherein serpent wants to roam around freely. Serpent को, snake को कोई restriction पसंद नहीं है, उसे freely घूमना पसंद है. Who is actually controlling the snake or serpent? Snake charmer. He knows how to calm down. He knows how to take control of the snake. He knows the rhythm of the snake. He is having a mastery on that. And with all that, he is able to control the snake. So we have to become a snake charmer to control our senses. And how to do that? For that, whenever we feel irritated, agitated, angry, then we just need to take a deep breath in, feel your breath, aware of your breath, and say to yourself, I choose my power back. I am in my control. I choose the alignment. I choose my true self. I choose love. I choose happiness. I choose joy. Feel that, be aware of that, and do the mastery on that. And that's how you will become a snake charmer who will be able to control his senses. And when you will be able to control your senses, you will have a mastery on that. And when you will have a mastery on that, you can manifest anything in your life. So don't try to actually manifest the money today. Try to manifest the mastery. So what we have to manifest? Not the money. We have to manifest mastery. What we learned from this verse? Tortoise who knows the withdrawal. Serpent or a snake, these are the senses. We need to understand how to control our senses. Snake charmer who is having a mastery, who knows the rhythm of the snake, who knows how to calm down. And in result, the energy alignment will happen and we will get the power of manifestation. So my dear, start with that day one. So as I said, I'm going to repeat this. You need to take a salt bath today, and then you just see where you are giving your control away. Feel your senses, become like a snake charmer, feel your breath, be aware of that, and take your power back. You have to journal that. I'm going to share one document related to this. Just go through that document. I believe you have understood the process. If any question in between, then you can message me. I will reply you. Thank you so much. With lots of love and gratitude, Heal with Nisha.